27.
Well, this is 28.
Yeah, I know. I heard you bleeding over on here, so I come up here.
The front guy. Oh, I'm bleeding over?
One of you guys was.
Really? Wow. That would be me.
Weren't you crazy?
No handle up here.
Crazy, weren't you bleeding over?
There's no handle. No handle. Where you at?
I didn't think this radio did any bleeding.
Hey, no handle. 40 out there, no handle.
Structure's pretty tight. Bleed in there, crazy.
It breaks out there, break.
Well, I mean, if you're real close, but I thought this radio was real tight.
It breaks out there, break.
Well, give him a break, for Christ's sake.
Hey, we about you.
Okay, old boy.
There's 40 out there.
How about that, Skipland? How about that, Skipland? You got no handle. From the state of Maine.
Bring it.
No. 611 the pup. Brian. Oh, you guys are really coming in nice and clear today.
Roger.
Roger. Where you at there, Roger? Where you at?
The old Roger crazy critters up here in the state of Maine. You know where that is, don't you?
Yeah, state of Maine. Yeah, we know where it's at. We got some... he moved out a little higher once the state of Maine there.
Yeah, you know where that Maine is, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
10-4.
I got a friend that lives up there. I got one up there. Old tree. Shows by tree. Sounds good down here in the Buckeye State. We got 611 here, 611.
621.
621, you got 611 here.
How about that, man? You have the old 663 in the Buckeye State standing.
Oh, boy, it's going to be one of those days. Yeah, I know, huh? Buckeye State wants to in on the state of Maine. God damn that brown-eyed state.
How about that end up there in Maine, though? 663, way when the end is moving.
Yeah, you're making it there, 663.
Earlier it was all Michigan.
Hey, man, I hear you in that loud somebody out there. Channels have been pretty quiet ever since hurricanes and fires and stuff. A lot of the skiplanders probably are all down off, have their antennas down and stuff from all them disasters.
Not too bad.
She sounds like she's in a tractor.
663 in the Buckeye, we standing by.
At least I'm nice. I'm not nasty to anybody.
Well, that's what we like. Nice girls. That's what we like them up here in the state of Maine.
You like pretty ones or ugly
What are
ones?
you talking about? We like any girls. Well, unless that no handle. You know how many girls no handle dates it takes to make the full set of teeth?
What the hell? You like the ugly girls or the lobster?
You son of a...
You like...
27.
Well, what the hell do you do up there? It's freaking cold up there. Up there in Maine, just be eating some lobster. Stay in your house, freezing your nuts off.
Just turn the heat on. Run the wood stove. I just turned my heat on this morning. Because outside it was 32 degrees this morning.
I thought it's still too crazy.
That sucks, man. It's still about 60 out here right now, 50s and 60 weather. Comfortable weather, man, but it's freaking cold up there.
Yeah, it'll be, I don't know, 60, almost 70 today, but in the morning it's getting cool.
You guys got igloos up there?
Oh yeah, it goes up 60 during the day.
Nah, you guys got igloos up there, you know? You build igloos?
Randy, you got a fucking igloo or what? That's what he's asking. Yeah, I got an igloo. I keep my fucking beer in it.
Oh, man. Man, you're hooked up then. What kind of beer you drink?
Oh,
all these guys up here in Maine are just gentlemen. You take that crazy no-handle bird dog and all them nerds. They can't be nicer guys. It's like when that lady was in there. Good girls get lickings. Bad girls get spankings.
Who's that? Hippie this morning?
Good morning, crazy.
Good morning there, young fella.